Hello folks, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, this is just Raina. If you're someone who's interested in beauty tips, hairstyling, lifestyles, home remedies and much more, this is the channel for you. Go ahead and subscribe because I upload videos every week. Today I'm here because I'm doing a requested video on treating blackheads and whiteheads, which take away all the tension from your face if you got them. So this picture, what did you notice in this picture? Your first attention definitely goes to the blackheads because they are so prominent on the face. Keep watching the entire video to know about the ingredients that you should be looking in beauty products if you got blackheads or whiteheads, and also I share a bonus tip. What are blackheads and why they occur? Basically, when the pores of the skin become clogged with oil, dirt or sebum or even bacteria, they turn into black or whitehead. Moving on to how you can prevent them. First and foremost, you should use oil-free products. Second of all, you should exfoliate at least once a week. And if you got very oily skin, exfoliate twice, especially in the regions of blackheads. And for those who want an alternative to exfoliant as their skin is sensitive, you can use skin brushes. The third one is washing your face at least twice a day. Yes, you got me right, at least twice. Once in the morning and second time before going to the bed is very important because your skin tends to collect all the dust and dirt whenever you go out of the house. Fourth thing is try using face masks which are mineral rich or which help to extract excessive oil from the skin. The next one is using products which have got salicylic acid because salicylic acid acts as an exfoliant and removes dead and damaged cells. The sixth one, which is very crucial, is never going to bed with the makeup on, which means that before going to bed, before hitting the bed, just go and wash off your face, keep it clean, then you're good to sleep. Last but not the least is eating balanced diet. Keeping your skin hydrated, eating fruits and vegetables which have essential nutrients and vitamins is very important. And now finally moving on to the steps that you need to know for the blackheads and whitehead removal. Now let's go. Since I've changed, now let's get started with the first step, which is cleansing. So this is a cleanser that I've prepared at home, and if you guys are interested to know how I did that, go watch my video which I've uploaded. You need to take a little bit of this cleansing milk and add a little bit of water and rub this on your face. Rub it more around your nose or wherever you have blackheads. Now just take a cotton pad and wipe this off. You can dip it in warm water and just wipe it off. As you can see, this is very effective. It easily took off my makeup and lipstick, so I didn't remove it to just show it to you guys. Now moving on to the second step, which is steam application. But if you guys got pores and your skin is sensitive to steaming, it's better to just take a hot towel and put it on your face for a few minutes. Keep it on your face. This actually helps to open up the pores and will help with the treatment. So now we are going to prepare the scrub, and for that you need coffee. I'm taking this instant coffee. You can buy any coffee, whatever you have at your home, you can use that. I'm going to add a teaspoon of this coffee. You need sugar, an equal amount of sugar, which is around a teaspoon. I'm taking a refined white sugar. You can also take cane sugar or brown sugar if you get that. Now's the time to add coconut oil. You're going to need a very little of this. I'm going to take just half a teaspoon actually. Put it in microwave for this to melt. Coffee and sugar are going to help you to scrub off the blackheads and whiteheads easily. And coffee is also very good for skin brightening and skin tightening. Just going to mix this up. Your scrub is ready to use. So now I'm going to use this scrub. It is going to fall off, don't worry, but you can scrub it off. You can also scrub the whole face It's a very natural and effective scrub. I'm actually liking this a lot. Once you're done scrubbing, it's time to clean. Clean it up with the cold water. Once you're done cleaning, it's time for cold water application. So I have just dipped this towel in cold water and I'm going to keep it on my face for around 1 minute. So after this application is the time for next step, which is massage. So I'm taking this aloe vera gel which I got from Walmart. This is 98% aloe vera. You can get this from any general store. Apply it all around your face. I'm using a jade roller. You can do that even with your hands. That's it, and you're done. Now's the time for bonus tip. For those of you who are not comfortable with coffee and coconut combination, you can go with lemon, honey and sugar. It is equally good for blackhead and whiteheads treatment. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are really liking my videos and enjoying them, do share them with your friends and family, and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay safe, stay home and enjoy summers. Bye bye.